I'm Denise, one of the Executor coaches, and today we are going to learn a little bit about project management and how it can help your team in your project. Besides being used by big corporates, project management also can be used in many other fields, even in your personal life. Knowing how to properly manage a project helps you to define your objectives, to organize and control your available resources, such as time, people, or money, and to get the best of them, improving the productivity. That's why it's important to learn about project management. Basically, project management is a set of tools used to reach better results. A project can be defined as a set of temporary activities to deliver a result with limited resources. A project should always have a start, middle, and end. Routine tasks are not projects because they are not temporary. They don't have a predefined start and ending. Project can be a tangible product like a new model smartphone, an event like a lecture or travel, or a concept like your business proposal. It means that you can use these tools to improve your experience in Executor. So let's understand it better. Projects can have different complexities depending on how much parts will be involved, as well as their knowledge and ability in the subject. Even a project with a few people involved can be very complex if they don't have previous knowledge about the content. As we mentioned before, a project always must have a well-defined start and end. The initial phase involves all planning tasks, like defining the sequence of activities, risk analysis, identification of tasks, definitions for quality control, etc. This is one of the most important phases on the project. If you're not clear about the necessary tasks, you will have more chances to fail on the execution. The second phase is about execution and control. Execution is the heart of the project, the moment when you really start doing your project, when you give life to your ideas and develop your product, event, or concept. At the same time, you have to control your activities, your team, your time. This is what you ensure that you're in the right direction. Controlling is not only about leadership, but especially about organization and capacity to redistribute and reorganize if necessary. Finally, after you deliver your results, it's time to end your project. This is when you will evaluate your process and learn from your mistakes. This is also the moment when your team will be formally finished and resources you have used will be returned. Let's see an example about how project management applies in Executor.
This is Team A. Team A has participated in Executor, and none of the members knew nothing about project management. They haven't defined a project leader because they thought it was not necessary. Team A was not good at managing their time, so they have delayed some tasks or delivering incomplete results. One of the members had to drop the project, and they were not prepared to redistribute this member's task. At the end of the project, Team A still did not have a complete business proposal, and they have no more time to finish it. They have delivered a poor job and received a poor grade. Now, this is Team B. Team B has taken part of the project in the same track as Team A. X, one of Team B members, was very good at project management. He was defined to be the leader of the team. X helped the team to properly share their tasks, internally anticipate due dates, and define a dynamic where they would provide feedback to each other. One of their members also had to drop the program, but it was not a problem because they were prepared and quickly redistributed tasks. Team member satisfaction and evaluations was high. They were able to deliver the final report before time and received one of the highest grades. So, in which team would you rather to be? A or B? Team B has used some tools that you will learn in the sequence. The first step to a project is to define activities. You can do it with a work breakdown structure. It's very easy to be done. You can even produce it on Microsoft Office Smart Art 2. And the hierarchy ones are the most indicated, but feel free to choose your preferred one. Here's an example of a WBS. As you can see, you will need to first define the main activities and the the activities that you have to do to complete the main one. Another good tool that you can use in your project is a Gantt diagram. It's used to manage your time and provide a sequence of activities. It's also very easy to be done. You can produce it in Excel just by filling up those cells which represent the duration of the activities. As you can see, here the first cells are when the activities start, and here it's when it's finished. Also, I'd like to show you this website, temget.com. I'll provide the link in the video description. You can create a free trial account, just fill in your work mail, your website, and it's gonna ask you some information when you first start it. Just fill it up with what you think is gonna be useful for your project. And when you are logged in, you can find here some tutorials to help you to use this tool and help you to manage your project. It's a very good website. This tool is used by huge companies and it's very simple to be used. I strongly recommend it. Finally, I'd like to show you this video from Dr. Vastaras, the founder of Xculture, where he explains about team charters. I will also include the link in the description of the video.
Now you know why it's important to properly manage your project, and you are also introduced to some concepts and tools which may help you on doing it. If you want to learn more about project management, I suggest you to visit Project Management Institute website. This institute certificates project managers, and they have lots of insights to help you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.